अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज हम सीख रहे हैं AntConc, लॉरेंस एंथनी का एक मशहूर सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि हमें कॉर्पस का एनालिसिस करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल साबित होता है. So today we'll see how it works and how do we upload data into it and how are we supposed to make an analysis. I'll also tell you the way how you can download this software. So this is freely available and it is very efficient way of analysis. It comes from the third generation of corpus tools. In fourth generation, we have so many other tools in which we have sketch engine being the prominent one. But this, which comes from the third generation, is also a good tool. The difference between sketch engine uh, and Conc is that you can easily use Conc without signing in into internet or signing in into some profile or account or using your email address. Yes, you need to connect to internet if you want to download the database, which is already built in the cloud software of AntConc, which you can do later on. For today, we do not need internet for this purpose. Yes, you need internet to download it, and once you have installed it, so it's completely free, and you can work on it offline. Now, if we look at the main dashboard of it, so you will see there are so many options. So first of all, the thing is to upload a corpus. So you can go to this file and then open file as a quick corpus. The second way is to go to corpus manager. We'll learn these things step by step. So first thing first, so we are going to have corpus like open file as quick corpus, and then you can select any file that you want to make an analysis of. That can be a PDF file, that can be a text file, that can be a Word file, that can be an Excel sheet. So in Sketch Engine, you're bound that you have to only make an analysis of either text file or uh, PDF file. But here you can use any kind of file which is including text in it. So using this, I already included this file into my corpus or as my corpus into this software. So this is already included. Now what I need to do is I need to understand all these things which are given right here. So first thing is KWIC, which means keyword in context. So using this, I can get an idea. Okay, what is the keyword of the whole conversation? Plot tells me about particular word which is appearing somewhere. So how and where that word is appearing in the main file of us. File view is basically about the whole document we have, the one we have uploaded. Cluster gives us the idea of the clusters, pairs in which the some word is appearing. N-grams, so they tell us a string of words which is appearing together in the same sequence. Collocation is the words appearing with each other or with keyword in close proximity. So word means the frequency of a word, like how much do we see a word in the text corpus? So what is the frequency of it? How frequently that word has appeared in the corpus? So this is the keyword. Using this tab, we can compare our corpus with some reference corpus. So in upcoming videos, we'll also look into this. And from here, we can generate word cloud. So this one is Chat AI. You can also add Chat GPT things into it. You can use AI with it. So let's start with KWIC. So first of all, let's just click on the start. You will find that nothing is there. Let's see if I know some words here in this document. For example, hate. So it has given me all the hits of it. So one hit means one single entry, just like a token in Sketch Engine. So you can see we have a right context, we have a left context. Left context means the words appearing before hate, and right context means the words appearing after the word hate. So in this way we can have an analysis of it कि किस तरह ये words appear हो रहे हैं, किस context में ये word जो hate है वो use हुआ. So this is all the, like, I have 100 hits here. So you can also increase the number. So otherwise it will give you all the possible hits which are available. Okay. So this is one out of 100 words. So from here you can, like, increase it as much as is possible. So now you see that since the word is used a lot in my thesis, so this is like a glimpse of my thesis which I am giving here as a corpus. Then let's come to the word plot, the tab plot. So again, if I start to see hate, so I have like 57,144 times the word hate appears in this thesis. So this means, like, these all the highlighted one, the blue one, means that the word hate is appearing on these pages. So let me click this and show you. So it is taking time because like there are so many words. So, like, this is how you see it. So since hate is very prolific word, which is also in the title of my thesis, so you can see that it is everywhere. So this points out this thing. So file view is basically the whole thesis of it. So and then cluster. So if we have some cluster of words, so it will appear like that. So hate speech, hate discourse. So these are the clusters which are appearing together. Hate speech has appeared
The time is 10
97
o'clock
times.
p.m.
Hate speech, hate discourse 110 times. Hate language 34 times. N-grams. So n-grams, again, hate speech. So these are so cluster, basically we use clusters when we are comparing. We have so many different files together of like which are making one corpus. So in that way we use clusters. So it tells about the range. So if the range is 1, it means it is analyzing only one file. If it is 2, 3, it means it is taking data from different kind of files. Coming to collocation. So again, so it is the collocation, which means 8,420 times hate comes with the word speech, then 4,220 times with discourse, and then so on. Coming to word, so this is hate, so which comes one, like which range is one, rank is one, which means it comes from one corpus. I uploaded only one file. And the frequency is 1011 times. So this word has appeared. So what if I remove all the hate word? I just want to look at the whole list of frequency. So I'll click, and then you see that we have uh, the word the, and, of, to, in. So this means that we have also functional words which normally we ignore. We do not bring them into consideration while analyzing corpus. So this is the first word, hate, which is the most frequent, and then speech, and then political, then discourse, then social, then media, then Twitter. So in this way, we can make an analysis of all these things. So this basically, if you just want to see start, if you want to click start, it will not give you anything because you do not have any input given here. Okay, so if I come to word cloud here, so word cloud, uh, about keyword, I told you that it comes when we have a reference corpus, which we are going to learn in the upcoming videos. So if I want to see, uh, so what I need to do here, if you can see the source here, it is Scratchpad. So if you click on Scratchpad, it is going to just give you an introduction of AntConc and all this thing is going up here. So you need to click it to Word. Now click it. So now it is going to give you all the things from all the important words from your corpus. Now this shows speech and the, that, of, to. So some are like functional words and some are lexical words like hate, speech. So this shows the frequency. So we can also see the frequency like this. We can also crop it and we can include it in our thesis or research paper. Now coming back to file. So if you want to go to open corpus, so you see that you have such list. This is the corpus you have. So this is my corpus, which is a temporary corpus. I can also save this to file so that next time I open the same one. Otherwise, it is temporary. It opens for once. If I close AntConc, I lose this all analysis. So this is a reference corpus where I will first include a reference corpus and then I'll make an analysis while comparing two corpora together. So these are you can see like this is demo is green, which means that the demo version is already built in. I can use that if I don't want to include my own corpus into it. So demo is green, it means it is already downloadable. So user, this is my corpus, which is also available there. Uh, but if you want to go into this American corpus, like or British English corpus, so we have to download it. So I'll just check all these things and I'll use Connect Online and update. So it will download all the possible database for me. Once it is downloaded, again, I do not need internet. So this was the first tutorial video of AntConc introduction. So I hope this is very clear. Next time I'll come up with the next teaching onto it when we are going to use more options which are given right here. You can see in edit, you can see in setting, you can see here in file. So we are going to see all these things in the next videos. Thank you very much. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.